for the month of September. I am Cherry and I am here to update you on the events and activities conducted for the month of September. Teachers Excellence Award ceremony was organized by Dainik Bhaskar, and in a grand event, Himalaya International School was awarded the trophy of Teachers Excellence Award. It is a prestigious award to celebrate the unique contribution of Himalaya International School, Ratlam, for improving the quality of education and enriching the lives of our students. Himalaya International School's Shiksha Ratna student Arwa Kagdi qualified for IIT JEE Mains as well as NATA exam. On 1st of September, Himalaya School conducted motor fitness activity for the students of grade nursery to 2nd. On 3rd of September, open skating tournament was held for seniors and juniors. We saw the spirit of sportsmanship and enthusiasm in the juniors as well as seniors. On 4th of September, school management rewarded teachers with a grand party and gifts. On 5th of September, Teachers' Day was celebrated. On 8th of September, inter-class speech competition was conducted for grade 6 to 8. On 11th of September, Grandparents' Day was celebrated by the students of grade nursery, LKG and UKG. On 14th of September, to celebrate Hindi Divas, Hindi Shrutlekh competition was held for grade 1st and Hindi read-aloud competition for grade 2nd. Inter-house Bhashan Pratyogita was organized for grade 3rd to 5th and Hindi Kavita Lekhan competition for grade 6 to 8. For grade 9th and 10th, Hindi Vigyapan Lekhan competition was held. From 25th September to 30th September, students participated in district and divisional level competitions in sports and brought laurels for the school. Now, here I am with the news in details. Himalaya International School notches another award. Take pride in how far we have come and have faith in how far we can go. On the eve of Teachers' Day, Dainik Bhaskar had organized Teachers Excellence Award ceremony in which Himalaya International School team has been awarded the trophy for doing tremendous work in the field of education. Indeed a proud moment for Himalaya family. Honorable Minister of Higher Education Dr. Mohan Yadav and MLA of Ratlam Mr. Chetan Kashyap graced the occasion. This is a much-deserved award for the school which believes in consistent hard work and chooses to pursue excellence. It is inspirational to witness hard work giving birth to success. It is the combined efforts of the management, teachers and students that the school had been recognized with such a prestigious award. The legacy of outstanding performance continues as one of our students, Arwa Kagdi, qualified for JEE Mains. She has also cleared the NATA exam. To enhance agility, balance, coordination, power, reaction time and speed, motor fitness activities for the students of grade nursery to UKG were conducted at Himalaya International School on 1st of September. The activities were simple and interesting to improve the motor skills. Students enjoyed various activities at ground. The beginning of September was filled with enthusiasm and excitement as open skating tournament was held for seniors and juniors. On 3rd of September, skating is a great way to build self-esteem and confidence, which is extended to other areas of our students for making their life more successful. Throughout the tournament, all the participants were supported by students and teachers. Girls and boys took part in the tournament and exhibited their talent, enthusiasm and sportsman spirit. On the evening of 4th September, a grand party was organized by the management of Himalaya International School. Enthusiasm and festivity marked the celebration as all the teachers came dressed up in Bollywood-themed attire. Participation of our respected directors and principals of all the branches made the occasion very special. Management felicitated all the teachers by presenting them token of love. All in all, it was a celebration of fun and frolic with lots of happiness and beautiful memories to cherish. On the eve of Teachers' Day, students of Himalaya International School presented a gala program on 5th of September to mark the birthday of country's former president, Bharat Ratna awardee, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, in which they presented beautiful songs, dances, and the main attraction was the game show Sipper with Sulleen to show gratitude and affection towards their teachers. Honorable Directors Mr. Sunil Dora, Mr. Aditya Dora, Academic Director Mr. H.S. Khalsa, and Principal Mrs. Sonal Bhatt Ma'am graced the occasion. It was an eventful day enjoyed equally by teachers and students. On the occasion of International Literacy Day, an inter-class speech competition was held On September 8th, for the students of grade 6 to 8, the participants left no stone unturned to give in their best for explaining the role of education and poverty eradication in India. The competition was an enthralling experience for the speakers as well as the audience who witnessed the event.
The morning of 11th of September was filled with shows of Zinflated marriages. At the pre-primary section of Himalaya International School, awaited to welcome their dear grandparents. Grandparent Day was celebrated for all the Dadda-Dadis and Nana-Nanis. The attraction of the event were 3 game zones set up for the grandparents. There were many prizes and gifts, including lucky draw. Throughout the event, Grandparent Day was really memorable, once for all the children as well as the grandparents, who left with happy memories, lots of appreciation, and lots of lessons to the school and its staff.
On 14th of September, Hindi Divas was celebrated with various activities. Nukkad drama in Hindi language was presented by students of Lion House in the morning assembly. Hindi Shrutlek competition was held for grade 1st and Hindi read aloud for grade 2nd students. Class 3rd to 5th students mesmerized everyone with their speeches. Students from grade 6th to 8th participated in Hindi Kavita Lekhan competition and wrote poems of patriotism in Hindi language. Students of class 9th and 10th participated in Hindi Rashtra Hindi Vigyapan Lekhan competition. Along with all the activities, September month was filled with academic revisional activities and heat of examination fever.
मैं विवेक इस माह में संपन्न हुई गतिविधियों के बारे में जानकारी दे रहा हूँ। इस माह में हिमालय इंटरनेशनल स्कूल को शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में भूतपूर्व योगदान के लिए टीचर्स एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया। विद्यालय की छात्रा कुमारी अरबा काकदी ने शिक्षा रत्न के माध्यम से जेईई मेंस में सफलता प्राप्त की। 1 सितंबर को नर्सरी से कक्षा 2 तक के छात्रों की मोटर फिटनेस एक्टिविटी करी गई। 3 सितंबर को ओपन स्केटिंग टूर्नामेंट का आयोजन किया गया। 5 सितंबर को शिक्षकों को सम्मानित करते हुए विद्यार्थियों ने शिक्षक दिवस मनाया। 8 सितंबर को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय साक्षरता दिवस के मौके पर कक्षा 6वीं से 8वीं तक के छात्र छात्राओं की अंग्रेजी में इंटर हाउस भाषण प्रतियोगिता की गई। 11 सितंबर को नर्सरी एलकेजी यूकेजी के बालक बालिकाओं के दादा दादी नाना नानी को सम्मानित करते हुए ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स डे बड़ी धूमधाम से मनाया गया। 14 सितंबर को हिंदी भाषा के सम्मान में हिंदी दिवस मनाया गया। इसके अंतर्गत की गतिविधियां इस प्रकार है। कक्षा 1 तथा 2 में श्रुत लेखन तथा वाचन प्रतियोगिता कराई गई। कक्षा 3 से 5 के छात्र छात्राओं की इंटर हाउस भाषण प्रतियोगिता आयोजित की गई। कक्षा 6वीं 7वीं तथा 8वीं के छात्रों ने हिंदी राष्ट्रीय विषय पर कविता लेखन किया। कक्षा 9वीं व 10वीं के छात्रों ने विभिन्न विषयों पर विज्ञापन लेखन किया। शेष दिनों में छात्र छात्राओं ने लगन के साथ अर्धवार्षिक परीक्षा की तैयारी की तथा परीक्षा पूर्ण की। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, I am Pawan and I am here for the sports news of Himalaya International School. 5 students of Himalaya International School are selected for divisional level basketball competition. Ayush Sharma and Kunal Sonar are selected in the category of 14 to 17 years. Harshvardhan Singh, Tanisha Pakidar and Aditi Parmar are selected for under 19 divisional level basketball competition held at Mandsaur. 11 students of Himalaya International School are selected for district level under 19 cricket competition. Harsh Damor and Gaurav Damor were selected for division level lawn tennis tournament held at Devas. Vaishnav Patel is selected for divisional level boxing tournament held at Ujjain. 21 students of Himalaya International School will be participating in the karate block level competition. Students of Himalaya International School, Ruhi Soni and Vanshika Bayadwar represented Ratlam district skating team and defeated the players of Mandsaur, Devas, Neemuch, Agar, Shajapur, Ujjain and brought glory to Himalaya as well as Ratlam district and are selected for state level skating championship which will be held at Gwalior.
Now I, Cherry,
I Pawan
And I Vivek.
sign up for the day and wish you a very happy festive season.
Thank you.